Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Coconut.
Oh God, I'm L-R-E-E, full nigga freak. That mean I ain't gotta worry about no full nigga chick.
I'm back with another video, and as you guys can see by the title, today I am going to be taking you guys on a maintenance vlog. I'm gonna get my hair done, my lashes. Wait, that's not even. I'm gonna get my nails done, my lashes, my toes, my hair. You know, getting all sweet and girled up because I feel like I haven't done this in a minute, and I feel so great right now. My hair is done, you know. So if you want to come along with me and watch me glow up, because I'm still beautiful, whatever, without all of this on, I'm still beautiful at the end of the day. Period. If you guys want to see me glow up, then make sure you guys stay tuned and continue watching this video. Enjoy. All right, y'all, so I'm at my lash appointment right now. Like, y'all just dropped me off. Yeah, as a real one should. But I'm just waiting right now for her to be done with this client, and then I'm gonna go get in there and get my lashes done. It's been a long time since what, May? But yeah, I'm gonna get my lashes done and then run some errands. I'm gonna go to the hair store after this, and then the bank. And then tomorrow I'm gonna get my nails done, and then Saturday or Sunday I'm gonna get my hair done. So we in for a little weekend, y'all know.
What?
I don't know, it's kind of awkward vlogging in front of people, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm gonna talk to y'all when I get in there. Next morning, and I'm gonna wait to my appointment like 7:30 or 7:15, but she said I can come, so yeah, I'm on my way. Never again. This early. My eyes are barely open. Y'all, I just came outside to see the eclipse. It looks so like dim on here. But y'all, my nails, we're on the other hand. Oh, you can't even see it, but like you could tell. $115 for the total. No, you can keep it. Yeah, of course, I'm sure. Yeah, my nails, yeah, they look good. Y'all know she never plays. Ooh, like look at my nails. They look so good. I'm about to go to the beauty supply store and get my hair, go pick up my hair, because I'm gonna go get my hair done tomorrow. But my nails look so good, y'all. I was late to my appointment this morning. Yesterday I went to my cousin's house and I didn't go home until like 3, something like that. This is my lashes. I think I showed y'all yesterday. The clip where it was purple, yeah, I was at my cousin's house. I'm gonna go to the beauty supply store because I need to go get some lip gloss first, because I literally don't know where none of my lip gloss is at, and look at my lips, they're dry. You guys know that one meme was like, oh, when I walk out the house with no lip gloss? Yeah, that's literally how I feel. But yeah, my nails are so cute and they're duck nails, so like, wow. But, and they match my bag actually too. They match my bag really well. But yeah, yo, like I said, I'm gonna get my hair done tomorrow, so I'm gonna go to the beauty supply. Now, I need to get some food. It's not a want, it's a need. I need to get some food or I'm gonna die. Yeah, this is how my toes look, guys. I just got black French tip, no acrylic, because I'm done with that. If you guys remember my birthday vlog, I don't do acrylic no more, and I got a like spider to match, so it's cute. Like, look at that. So I just got home, I went out and everything, so it's like about to be 5 and I have not washed my hair, nothing. I'm supposed to be getting my hair done today, but I'm about to go get it done though. Yeah, I'm so tired. Like, bro, yesterday we had a time, bro. We had a fucking time, bro. Like, you had to be there. And if you weren't there, I don't know what to say to you. Yeah, it should definitely took my edges a little bit, but it's okay. They grow back. They grow back. But I'm about to wash my lashes, wash my hair. I was supposed to film a what do you call it? What do you call it? Hair tutorial, or not hair tutorial, wash day. But I don't have time for that, to be feeling. I really shouldn't have went out yesterday, but my cousins was in town. You know, it was a vibe. We was having a good weekend. We was gonna have a good time. But I'm not going out for real this time until, hold on, wait. Wash my lashes, and then I'm gonna wash my hair and shit. Alright, y'all, so I blowed out my hair and everything. I'm on the way to get dropped off to go get my hair done. It's like 7. I went home at like 4. We were supposed to do my hair around like 3, but my hair was all the way back at the crib, so I had to come back home and everything, like, you know. But I'm so glad I was able to take a shower because I literally smelled like outside. You know, I'm not gonna lie. When you party hard, like when you party hard for real, and the next morning, I'm sorry, I be smelling a little musty. Like, I need a shower. Like, I need to freshen up. And I'm glad I was able to do that because I feel way much better now. Like, I feel way much better. Like, brush my teeth, everything, because we had to stay over there because we just couldn't go home. We got home late last night. Like, I'm not going to be saying the time because y'all don't even need to know. Just know we got home late. Birds was, yeah, but I'm glad I was able to. But my shrinker just goes crazy. Like, look how long my hair is. You know? But yeah, love my little itty bitty afro. And obviously my edges was snatched a little bit. But it's alright. They gonna grow back. It was from that braided wig. But yeah, I'm gonna talk to y'all when I probably get there. Wash my lashes, everything too. I feel great. I feel great. Like, and my food is at the crib too. So when I get there, I'm sat. Like, I'm literally sat in the chair. Like, the sugar is crazy.
Stars.
Yeah, but this is my hair.
Yeah.
Honcho.
And then she posted a fucking picture talking about, these are my real best friends.
Rip me out the plastic, I've been acting brand new. Bitches acting like they running shit they really ran through. I spend that 500 before I ever trap you. They thought I was gonna fall off, I hate to bring you bad news. So many racks, a bitch can't even see the flow. From Atlanta to LA, the only time I'm back and forth. Cheap niggas make you pee, rich niggas get you both. Gave a Bentley to valet and let that nigga dry the boat. Let me pop off, leave the club sloppy drunk, come home and get my rocks off. Her bitch from the south, he tryna see me knock his socks off. Told them bitches meet me at the top, think they got lost. I'm on go like Grease.
Hey y'all, so my hair is all done. This is how it looks. And then the beads. Awkward positioning, but it's got some little beads. And yeah, that's it. That's all, y'all. My hair is done. Everything's laid and slayed. You see this what's happening when y'all bar shit the shit that one thing up. Yeah, this kind of took longer than expected. It took like 10 hours. But yeah, we were both tired and stuff, so yeah, the day we did do it, like, officially, because the first day we started it and then I fell asleep and it was late, so I was like, I'm gonna go home because I have to work in the morning. This whole last week I did not sleep at all. Like, literally I had not slept at all. So we got it done in like 10 hours. We were both so tired. If you know, you know. If you don't, you don't. So yeah, but yeah, my hair is done now. My nails are done. My lashes are done. But obviously I'm obviously gonna need to fill soon. Like, and I got them done like a week ago. So, but I don't even have like the charger to my fan, so I know this is not like how fluffy they would actually be because I just been letting them air dry. So yeah, I need to get a charger for my fan. But I've been washing them and stuff and keeping up because I don't play about that. My eyes get irritated really quick, especially with lashes, because sometimes like it pokes me in the eye. So extra dirt with it just does not, it doesn't add up with me. So everything done. I just need to get my eyebrows done. But I look, you want to let them grow out a little bit because yeah, I'm just because I'm gonna let them grow out a little bit. Probably get them done like next weekend. I'm gonna vlog next weekend as well because next weekend is Halloween. But I'm gonna get my eyelashes done next week too. I'm gonna get a fill. So yeah, I'm gonna vlog next week. So this is the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching it. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. If you guys did, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you guys turn on your post notifications to be notified every time this girl right here upload. And yo, without further ado, let's just get out of this video and move on to some brand new. Shadun, Shabbat, Shagone.
Right with the get right or get left. Hello, thank you, come again. Gang, 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 gang.